Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your ads with Facebook Business, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Facebook Business account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Ads Manager tab. On the Ads Manager page, locate the Settings menu in the bottom left corner. Click on Settings to access your ad account settings. In the settings, you'll see options for your account details, payment methods, and ad account roles. To secure your ads, first check your payment methods. Ensure your payment method is up to date and secure. Add a backup payment method for extra security. Now, move to the Ad Account Roles section. Review the users who have access to your ad account. Remove any users who no longer need access. For team members who do need access, assign them roles thoughtfully. Consider granting admins who need full control, and advertiser roles for those who just manage ads. Next, enable two-factor authentication on your account. Navigate to the Security section in your account settings. Turn on two-factor authentication to add an extra security layer. You'll receive a code via your chosen method every time someone tries to log in. This helps to protect your account from unauthorized access. Now, let's look at creating secure ads. When setting up an ad, ensure you're following Facebook's advertising guidelines. This will reduce the risk of your ads being flagged or banned. Use clear and honest messaging in your ad content. Avoid using misleading claims or images. Make sure your targeting is precise to reach the intended audience. Adjust your audience settings carefully to avoid overspending. Regularly monitor your ad performance through the Ads Manager. Keep an eye on metrics to ensure everything is functioning as intended. If you notice any suspicious activity, address it immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.